Ever wondered why your smoothies never turn out cafe smooth? Today, I'm revealing the top 7 best Ninja blenders for smoothies tested for power, texture, and real results. Welcome back to the channel. Stick around to find your perfect blend and grab your favorite easily through the links in the description. At number 7 is Ninja TB401. 7 out of 10 smoothie lovers give up on home blending not because they don't care, but because their blender quits before the kale does. That's the real struggle behind searching for the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies. Power matters. Control matters. And cleanup definitely matters. This lineup shines because Ninja understands daily use, not just specs. From compact cups to full-size systems, each model tackles ice, frozen fruit, and thick nut butters without turning your morning into a workout. The Ninja TB401 fits right into that story. Its high-torque motor, smart blending presets, and total crushing blades are built for people who want smooth results without guessing speeds. Thick smoothies come out creamy, not chunky. There are trade-offs. It's louder than smaller Ninja personal blenders like the Ninja Fit Compact. And it takes more counter space. But compared with others to lighter models, TB401 handles tougher blends with less stopping and scraping. If your smoothies feel inconsistent now, this lineup and especially this machine turns frustration into flow. On number 6 is Ninja SS151. Most people don't quit smoothies because of taste, they quit because their blender turns mornings into a mess. That frustration is exactly why the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies category keeps growing, and why the Ninja SS151 quietly earns attention. This lineup is about speed, texture, and cleanup. The real struggle? Frozen fruit that stays chunky, lids that leak, and motors that sound exhausted. The Ninja SS151 answers with a powerful motor, smart preset programs, and a precision crush blade that actually breaks ice instead of chasing it around the cup. What stands out is balance. Smoothies come out thick and even, not foamy on top and gritty at the bottom. The single-serve design saves space, though the cup size may feel limiting for families. Compared with others to the SS151 trades multitasking for focus. Less bulk. Less noise. Faster results. If your goal is consistent smoothies without daily hassle, this feel. At number 5 is Ninja Fit Compact. Most blenders promise power, but few survive the smoothie test without rattling your patience. When people search for the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies, they're usually tired of weak motors, chunky textures, and bulky machines stealing counter space. That frustration is real. Smoothies should feel effortless, not like a mini workout. This is where the Ninja Fit Compact quietly earns its place in the lineup. Short bursts of blending. Sharp Ninja blades. A personal size cup that actually fits busy routines. Frozen berries, protein powder, and spinach break down fast, making smooth blends without guesswork. Cleanup stays simple, which matters more than most reviews admit. There are trade-offs. The compact design means smaller batches. If you're blending for a family, a full-size Ninja like the BL770 handles volume better. But that extra size comes with extra noise and storage demands. For solo users, gym goers, or anyone chasing quick, consistent smoothies, the Ninja Fit Compact delivers relief through simplicity. Sometimes the smartest kitchen upgrade is the one that disappears into your routine and just works. At number 4 is Ninja SS101. Most smoothie blenders quit when frozen fruit fights back, but that's exactly where this category earns its reputation. In the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies, power and control decide everything. People don't want watery blends, loud motors, or jars that need babysitting. They want consistency. Morning after morning. This is where the Ninja SS101 quietly shifts expectations. Its smart torque motor doesn't surge or stall. It keeps pulling even with thick smoothie bowls and heavy ice. The hybrid edge blades feel tuned for texture, not just speed. You notice it in the spoon test: smooth, dense, clean. Short pause. Reality check. It's bulkier than compact models, and the presets take a little learning. If counter space is tight, that matters. Compared with others to something like the Ninja SS101 trades multitask attachments for tighter smoothie performance. Less clutter. More focus. For buyers tired of trial and error blends, this feels like relief in appliance form. It doesn't chase hype, it finishes the job, quietly and completely. On number 3 is Ninja BL770. Most smoothies fail before the first sip because the blender gives up halfway through the ice. That frustration is exactly why the conversation around the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies matters. People want silky results, not chunky regret or burnt motors. In this lineup, power, blade design, and jar versatility decide everything. Pause on the Ninja BL770 for a moment. Its stacked blade system and total crushing jars handle frozen fruit and greens without babysitting. Morning rush? It keeps up. Family size? The large pitcher earns its place. But it isn't perfect, its footprint is bigger, and noise can be bold when pushed hard. Compared with others, the compact Ninja BL770 trades countertop minimalism for flexibility. You blend once, not twice. That's the relief buyers feel immediately. Across the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies, this model quietly bridges everyday ease and serious blending muscle without overpromising. If your smoothies are part of your routine, not a weekend experiment, this is where reliability starts making sense. At number 2 is Ninja BN701. Most blenders fail at the exact moment you expect magic, when frozen fruit hits the blades and everything stalls. That frustration is why lists like the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies even exist. People want power, but they also want consistency. No half-blended chunks. No babysitting the jar. This is where the Ninja BN701 quietly earns attention. Micro Segment 1, the problem of weak motors overheating. Cheap blades leave grit. Microsegment 2, the fix. The BN701 strong motor and stacked blade design tear through ice and fiber screens with steady momentum. Auto IQ programs remove the guesswork, letting textures finish smooth, not foamy. Microsegment 3, reality check. It's louder than compact models like the Ninja BN701 and the large pitcher takes space. But compared with others to entry-level Ninja BN701 handles family-size blends without slowing down. When your smoothie stops tasting like compromise, you realize the upgrade wasn't about power, it was about peace in your routine. Now moving to the last one is Ninja BC151BK. Most people don't quit smoothies because of taste, they quit because their blender quits on them first. That frustration is exactly why the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies list exists, and why the Ninja BC151BK quietly earns attention. Here's the real problem buyers face. Too bulky. Too loud. Too many buttons. Morning routines turn messy fast. The Ninja BC151BK flips that script with a compact personal blender design that fits small kitchens, travels easily, and still packs serious ninja power. Its sharp extraction blades break down frozen fruit and ice into smooth, drinkable textures with no gritty surprises. Single-serve cups mean less cleanup, more consistency, and faster results. Is it perfect? Not quite. It won't replace a full-size Ninja BL770 for large batches or family prep. But compared to heavier countertop models, the BC151BK feels lighter, quicker, and more practical for daily smoothie drinkers. If you value speed, simplicity, and reliable blending without overpaying, this model makes a lot of sense. Some blenders shout. This one simply shows up and gets it done. Among your list of Ninja models, the best overall choice is the Ninja TB401, a powerful all-in-one blender food processor system with a strong 1800W motor. Blend Sense Tech for automatically adjusting speed/time, a large 72 ounces pitcher food processor bowl, single-serve cup, and multiple blades for smoothies, sauces, dough, and more. It beats the others because it handles everything from big family smoothies to tough ingredients and food prep, much more versatile, powerful, and future-proof than small personal blenders or mid-range single-purpose units. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best Ninja blender for smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.